Welcome to SkillZone. In this video, we'll show you amazing inventions and smart travel gear that make your adventures easier and more fun. From clever tools to innovative camping setups, get ready to see ideas that change the way you explore the world. The Heim Planet Kira ditches the poles for a diamond grid airframe that inflates in a flash and stands like a fortress, laughing at Arctic winds while turning any frozen wasteland into a cozy command center. Stop lugging around dead weight. This wrist-mounted rig keeps your hydration locked, loaded, and ready to deploy, giving you an instant, hands-free cool-down that leaves bulky bottles in the dust. Forget wrestling with heavy chairs. This compact pack catches the breeze and explodes into a full-blown lounge in seconds. Cut the cords and burn the bills. The IO House isn't just a home. It's a self-sustaining luxury bunker that generates its own power, recycles its own water. This steel beast snaps together in seconds to form a rock-solid cooking station, holds the feast, and turns any patch of grass into a masterclass open-air kitchen. Forget sleeping in the dirt with bugs and moisture. This tactical pod raises your base camp just above the ground, anchoring it to a tree for stability and protection. You're lifted out of the mud and danger zone, staying dry, secure, and comfortable, while everything else remains down below. Wall outlets slow you down. Anchor Solix turns any table into a portable power hub, running all your gear at once, wherever you are. Hand pumps slow you down. Anchor Solix powers your rig to full pressure in seconds, so you hit the water ready while everyone else is still stuck on shore. This portable inflatable LED flashlight cuts through the darkness, lighting every step, corner, and doorway, turning any space into a fully visible, controlled zone wherever you go. This modular unit slides into a van, instantly adding a bed and kitchen to turn it into a compact mobile home. From open-air terrace to compact camper, this expedition truck folds itself down automatically, ready to hit the road. Step inside this white camper and discover a full kitchen, cozy bathroom, and an upstairs bedroom, all perfectly fitted into a compact mobile home. Watch as the Black Panther camper morphs around you. Beds unfold, tables rise, and every corner turns into a fully equipped, ready-to-go home on wheels. Ice-cold drinks, floating on water. The iceberg cooler keeps your beers chilled and ready, even for a splashy jump off the pier. Keep your shy dogs safe and happy. This camping enclosure gives them freedom to play, explore, and relax without worry. Watch as this pickup camper box turns any truck into a complete mobile home. The ladder unfolds, windows open, and inside you'll find a cozy bed, a compact kitchen, and smart storage, all ready to hit the road in seconds. He inflates and connects floating platforms, raises a tent into a cozy floating cabin, sets up a mattress and furniture, then hops in a small boat to glide across the lake in his ready-to-go water home. Step inside this spaceship-inspired Airbnb in Asheville, a futuristic interior with pilot-style chairs, a cozy bedroom, and panoramic windows offering breathtaking mountain views. Take an ease-up tent on any adventure. No matter the wind, it stays strong, secure, and ready for the toughest conditions. Inventor Richard Luft shows how the Luft lighter instantly ignites paper and wood with a blast of hot air, turning any fireplace into a roaring fire in seconds, fast, safe, and effortless. The Ocean Pack 20 dry bag keeps your gear completely waterproof, floats on water, and converts into a portable buoy, perfect for any adventure on land or water. Portable Kitchen transforms instantly from a compact box into a full outdoor cooking station, a stove, storage, and prep space, ready to cook anywhere in seconds. Mutaflex, a 1000 lumen flashlight with 3 modes, handheld, hanging, or magnetic, charges your devices and includes knife, saw, and arc lighter, all for travel and survival. FlexTail, a super lightweight 1.2-ounce pump that makes inflating your sleeping mat effortless. Just clip it to your backpack and take it anywhere. From setting up camp at dusk to waking up with stunning mountain views, FlexTail keeps your mat ready in seconds. Compact, durable, and easy to carry. It even doubles as a flashlight for night adventures. Sleek, green, and ready for adventure. Fully equipped interior, transformable beds, outdoor kitchen, LED lighting, solar panels, and smart storage. Step inside, relax, or take it anywhere. Comfort and mobility go hand in hand. The ultimate trekking pole with built-in spotlight and floodlight. Illuminate your path or light up the whole campsite. Stand it, hang it, or attach it anywhere. Durable, portable, and even has SOS flashing for emergencies. Your all-in-one night adventure companion. Kari Loimu X Power. Ignite fire, charge your devices, light your way. Compact, rugged, ready for adventure. Check out this awesome teardrop trailer. Built-in kitchen, hidden toilet, plenty of storage, and a cozy living space. Everything you need for adventure, all in one compact trailer. Don't be that guy. Meet Lounge Wagon, the ultimate beach cart. Carry all your gear with ease, unfold it into a comfy 2-person seat, and stay cool under the included umbrella. Folds quickly and fits in any car. Lounge smart, relax more. Introducing your off-road home. Inflatable frame for instant setup, spacious interior with cozy beds, full kitchen, and smart storage. Adventure ready and comfortable. Just park, relax, and enjoy the view. Thanks for watching. like, subscribe, and check out more videos on my channel.